Racing just is started. We have Bonjour, break, wait, let us start. Moving up for the outside, Kuya Amben, Aloha. Down on the inside comes Maimpok. In the middle portion, Chanzam Dior. Next online is Be My Lover. Kiss Me, Manila Magic. Then followed by Sharp Eye, Storm Signal, Simple Beauty, while Perfection is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Aloha by our length and a half. Kuya Amben in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Maimpok. Bonjour now moving up down on the inside. Now is Manila Magic. Be My Lover comes next. Chanzan Dior, Sharp Eye, Kiss Me, Simple Beauty, Storm Signal, while Perfection is still racing in less than a fourth turn. The lead now belongs to Kuya Amben by our length and a half. Aloha in second, Manila Magic, Maimpok, Bonjour, Be My Lover, and on the outside, Sharp Eye, Chanzan Dior, Perfection, Simple Beauty as they swing for home. We have Kuya Amben by about 2 lengths. And in second is Aloha. Moving up now is Sharp Eye. Last 100 meters. Kuya Amben followed by Sharp Eye. Kuya Amben, Sharp Eye is down on the inside. And finally it's Kuya Amben, Sharp Eye, Aloha. Bonjour close with Be My Lover. Then comes Perfection.